Dear students, I am Priyanka Dikshit, working as Assistant Professor at School of Pharmacy, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. Today I am going to present on the topic hematinics and astringents. Hematinics. Hematinics are the agents which are used for the formation of blood to treat various types of anemias. It includes introduction of iron, vitamin B12 and folic acid. What is anemia? Anemia is decreased capacity of RBCs to carry out oxygen to the tissues. Anemia occurs due to the imbalance between the production and the destruction of RBCs. Anemia occurs due to the blood loss, which may be acute or chronic, due to the impaired red cell formation, due to the deficiency of essential factors, that is iron, vitamin B12, and folic acid. It may occur due to bone marrow depression or hypoplastic anemia. Anemia may also occur due to the increased destruction of RBCs known as hemolytic anemia. Iron deficiency occurs due to malnutrition, due to congenital atransferrinemia or inability to release iron from transferrin. Types of anemia. Microcytic hypochromic anemia is caused mainly due to the iron deficiency, whereas macrocytic megaloblastic anemia is mainly caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B12 and folic acid. Hemolytic anemia and further another type of anemia is known as pernicious anemia, which is caused due to the decreased intrinsic factor production. Hematopoiesis, the production of circulating erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets from undifferentiated stem cells is called as hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis process requires iron for the formation of hemoglobin, vitamin B12, folic acid, hematopoietic growth factors, and presence of proteins that regulate the proliferation and differentiation of hematopoietic cells. Distribution of iron in the body. Iron is an essential body constituent. Total body iron in an adult is 2.5 to 5 gram. Average is 3.5 gram. It is more in men, about 50 mg per kg, than in women, about 38 mg per kg. Iron is distributed into hemoglobin. About 66% of iron is present in the hemoglobin. Iron stores are in the form of ferritin and hemosiderin. About 25% of iron is present in stored form in ferritin and hemosiderin. Iron is also present in myoglobin of muscles, about 3%. In parenchymal iron, iron is present in enzymes, about 6%. Hemoglobin is a protoporphyrin. Each molecule is having 4 iron-containing heme residues. It has 3.33% iron, thus loss of 100 ml of blood containing 50 gram of hemoglobin means loss of 50 mg of elemental iron. To raise hemoglobin blood level 1 gram per dl, about 200 mg of iron is to be needed. Iron is stored only in the ferric form in combination with large protein known as apoferritin. Daily requirements of iron. To make good average daily loss, iron requirements are adult male about 0.5 to 1 mg or 30 mg per kg, adult female menstruating about 1 to 2 mg or 21 microgram per kg, For infants 60 microgram per kg, for children 25 microgram per kg, and in case of pregnancy 3 to 5 microgram per kg. Dietary source of iron. Rich sources of iron are liver, egg yolk, oyster, dry beans, dry fruits, wheat germ, and yeast. Medium sources of iron are meat, chicken, fish, spinach, banana, and apple. Poor sources of iron are milk and its products, whereas vegetables. Factors facilitating iron absorption. Acid. Acid enhances dissolution and reduction of ferric iron. Reducing substances. Ascorbic acid reduces ferric iron and forms absorbable complexes. Meat. Meat also facilitates iron absorption by increasing the secretion of HCl. Pregnancy and menstruation. Pregnancy and menstruation also increases the iron requirement. Factors impeding iron absorption. Phosphates. Phosphates are present in the egg yolk. Phytates. Phytates occur in wheat and maize. Alkalis. Alkalis form non-absorbable complexes as well as oppose the reduction. Tetracyclines. Tetracyclines impede absorption. Iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia manifests as hypochromic microcytic anemia in which erythrocyte mean cells volume is low. Mean cell hemoglobin concentration is also low. Causes. People with increased iron requirements, such as infants and children during their rapid growth period, for pregnant and lactating women, patients with chronic kidney diseases due to the increased loss of iron during hemodialysis. Elimination of iron. No mechanism is present for the elimination of iron from the body, except exfoliation of intestinal cells. Trace amounts of iron are lost in feces, urine, bile, and sweat. Less than 1 mg per day of iron is lost. Inadequate iron absorption is seen in case of gastrectomy. A gastrectomy is a medical procedure where all part of the stomach is surgically removed. Generalized malabsorption in females during menstrual bleeding and during postmenopausal period. In males and the most common site is gastrointestinal tract. Treatment of iron deficiency. For the treatment of iron deficiency, oral iron preparations can be used. Oral preparations are present in the form of salts such as ferrous gluconate, ferrous sulfate, and ferrous fumarate. Parenteral therapy. Parenteral therapy with iron dextran, sodium ferric gluconate complex, and iron sucrose. Adverse effect of oral iron preparation. Individuals differ in their susceptibility like epigastric pain, heartburn, nausea, vomiting, staining of teeth, metallic taste, bloating, colic, and constipation is more common due to the astringent action of iron. Formula for calculating total dose of iron in grams. Dose of iron in grams is equal to 0.25 into normal hemoglobin minus patient's hemoglobin. Iron requirements in mg is equal to 4.4 into body weight in kg and hemoglobin deficient in gram per dl, where Hb denotes hemoglobin. Iron sulfate or ferrous sulfate. Molecular formula is FeSO4.7H2O. Molecular mass is 278.02 gram per mole. Synonyms of ferrous sulfate are green vitriol, iron vitriol, and copperas. Preparation. In the finishing of steel prior to plating or coating, the steel sheet or rod is passed through pickling baths of sulfuric acid. This treatment produces larger quantities of ferrous sulfate as a byproduct. This reaction involves treatment of iron metal with sulfuric acid to form ferrous sulfate and hydrogen. Ferrous sulfate may also be prepared commercially through the oxidation of pyrite, that is FeS2, which is reacted with oxygen and water to form ferrous sulfate and sulfuric acid. Properties. Ferrous sulfate appears as a white crystals that are anhydrous or anhydrous forms of ferrous sulfate appears as white crystals or as white-yellow crystals when it is in its monohydrate form, or in the form of blue-green crystals in case of its heptahydrate form. Crystal structure. Orthorhombic crystal structures are observed in case of anhydrous form of ferrous sulfate, whereas monoclinic crystals are observed in case of heptahydrate form of ferrous sulfate. Order. It is odorless. Taste. It is having astringent and metallic taste. Density varies. For anhydrous form of ferrous sulfate, the density is 3.65 gram per centimeter cube. For monohydrate form, the density is 3 gram per centimeter cube, and for the heptahydrate form, density is 1.895 gram per centimeter cube. Melting point of anhydrous form of ferrous sulfate is about 680 degrees Celsius, whereas for the monohydrate form of ferrous sulfate, melting point is 300 degrees Celsius. And for the heptahydrate form of ferrous sulfate, melting point ranges from 60 to 64 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in water, and the refractive index of monohydrate form of ferrous sulfate is 1.591, whereas for the heptahydrate form, the refractive index lies 1.471. Chemical properties or reactions of ferrous sulfate. On heating iron sulfate, first it loses water of crystallization, and the original green crystals are converted into a brown colored anhydrous solid. When further heated, the anhydrous material releases sulfur dioxide and white fumes of sulfur trioxide, leaving a reddish-brown iron third oxide, that is ferric oxide, at about 680 degrees Celsius temperature. Two molecules of ferrous sulfate gives ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide. Iron sulfate or ferrous sulfate acts as a reducing agent, and it reduces nitric oxide to nitrogen monoxide and chlorine to chloride. This reaction involves treatment of ferrous sulfate with sulfuric acid in the presence of nitric acid to form ferrous sulfate, water, and nitric oxide or nitric monoxide. Whereas in reaction with chlorine, ferrous sulfate forms ferric chloride. On exposure to air, it oxidizes to form corrosive brown-yellow coating of basic ferric sulfate, which is an adduct of iron third oxide and iron third sulfate. In this reaction, ferrous sulfate reacts with oxygen to form ferric oxide and ferrous sulfate. Assay of ferrous sulfate is based upon oxidation reduction titration methods. In the assay, procedure involves weighing accurately about 0.5 gram of ferrous sulfate which is further dissolved in a mixture of 25 ml of dilute sulfuric acid and 25 ml of freshly boiled and cooled water. Now, this solution is titrated with 0.2 molar potassium permanganate. Each ml of 0.2 molar potassium permanganate is equivalent to 27.802 mg of ferrous sulfate heptahydrate. Each ml of 0.02 molar potassium permanganate is equivalent to 27.802 mg of ferrous sulfate or anhydrous form of ferrous sulfate. Uses: ferrous sulfate is used as a hematinic agent and it is used to treat and prevent iron deficiency anemia. Ferrous sulfate was used in the manufacture of inks, most notably iron gall ink. Woodworkers use ferrous sulfate solutions to color maple wood as silvery hue. In horticulture, it is used for treating iron chlorosis. Ferrous sulfate is sometimes added to the cooling water flowing through the brass tubes of turbine condensers to form a corrosion-resistant protective coating. It is used in gold refining. Green vitriol is also a useful reagent in the identification of mushrooms. Ferrous gluconate. Synonym for ferrous gluconate is ferrocyglucona. Molecular formula is C12H22FeO14.XH2O. Preparation. Gluconic acid was first prepared through the oxidation of glucose by dilute nitric acid to form gluconic acid. Gluconic acid further reacts with barium carbonate to give barium gluconate. This is treated with ferrous sulfate to finally give ferrous gluconate. Appearance. Ferrous gluconate appears as a greenish yellow to green powder or granules. Odor of ferrous gluconate is slight caramel. Taste is caramel taste. Melting point is 188 degrees Celsius. Solubility. It is freely soluble. It is freely but slowly soluble in water, giving a greenish-brown solution, more readily soluble in hot water and practically insoluble in alcohol, but soluble in glycerine. Uses: ferrous gluconate is effectively used in the treatment of hypochromic anemia. Ferrous gluconate is also used as a food additive when processing black olives. Astringent. An astringent substance is a chemical compound that tends to shrink or constrict body tissues and precipitate the protein and astringent to form protective layer on the surface. Due to their protein actions, astringents are able to reduce the cell permeability. This reduces local edema, exudation, and inflammation. The word astringent derives from Latin word ad stringere, meaning to bind fast. They are usually applied to the damaged skin topically or to the mucous membrane of the GI tract, including the mouth. Characteristics: astringents affect only the superficial layer and they act by reducing the cellular permeability and making the surface mechanically strong, decreasing the exudation. They are protecting from external irritation and they are possessing local styptic and local antiseptic action. They are acting by interfering with the function of pain receptors. The pain relieving action is mild. They are acting by constricting the blood vessels to stop bleeding. Types of astringents. Vegetable astringents. Examples are tannic acid and gallic acid. Metallic astringents. These include aluminum salts such as alum or potassium aluminum sulfate aluminum chloride, and aluminum acetate salts. Zinc salts examples are zinc chloride and zinc sulfate, ferric chloride, strontium chloride, silver nitrate, as well as copper sulfate. Miscellaneous astringents includes alcohol and very cold water. Indications: astringents are used for swollen, inflamed, or leaky tissues. They are used to treat diarrhea or dysentery. They are used during leukorrhea, during minor bleeding like menorrhagia or hemorrhoids. They are used to promote the healing process. They are used to decrease sweating, and they possess deodorant properties. They are mild astringent solutions that are used in the relief of minor skin irritations resulting from superficial cuts, allergies, insect bites, fungal infections such as athlete's foot. Zinc sulfate. Molecular formula for zinc sulfate is ZnSO4. Molecular mass of anhydrous form of zinc sulfate is 161.47 gram per mole. Molecular mass and formula for zinc sulfate monohydrate form is ZnSO4.H2O with molecular weight of 179.47 gram per mole. Zinc sulfate heptahydrate form is having the formula of ZnSO4.7H2O with a molecular weight of 287.53 gram per mole. Synonym for zinc sulfate is white vitriol. As a mineral, zinc sulfate is known as goslerite. Preparation. Specific reactions involve the reaction of zinc metal with aqueous sulfuric acid in the presence of water to form zinc sulfate. Pharmaceutical grade zinc sulfate is produced by treating highly pure zinc oxide with sulfuric acid. Zinc sulfate may also be obtained by heating zinc sulfide in the presence of water. This reaction involves treatment of zinc sulfide with oxygen to form zinc sulfate. Properties: zinc sulfate appears as white powder or white granular powder or white granular in nature. It is odorless. It is having a astringent and metallic taste. Density of anhydrous form of zinc sulfate is about 3.54 gram per centimeter cube, whereas the density of zinc sulfate heptahydrate form is about 2.072 gram per centimeter cube. Melting point of zinc sulfate is about 680 degrees Celsius. Zinc sulfate or anhydrous form of zinc sulfate decomposes at 100 degrees Celsius, whereas heptahydrate zinc sulfate form decomposes at 70 degrees Celsius. Solubility in water. Zinc sulfate is soluble in water. About 57.7 gram of zinc sulfate is soluble in 100 ml of water at 20 degrees Celsius temperature in an aqueous solution with a pH less than 5. Refractive index of anhydrous form of zinc sulfate is about 1.658, whereas the refractive index of zinc sulfate heptahydrate form is about 1.4357. Chemical properties or reactions of zinc sulfate. In aqueous solution, all forms of zinc sulfate behave identically. The aqueous solution consists of the metallo-aquo complex, that is Zn H2O 6 plus 2 and SO4 2 minus ions. Barium sulfate is formed when these solutions are treated with the solutions of barium ions, such as zinc sulfate when treated with barium chloride leads to the formation of barium sulfate and zinc chloride. When heated over 680 degrees Celsius, zinc sulfate decomposes into sulfur dioxide gas and zinc oxide fume, both of which are hazardous. Zinc sulfate at 680 degrees Celsius decomposes into sulfur dioxide and zinc oxide. Dehydration of zinc sulfate heptahydrate form occurs as follows. Zinc sulfate dot 7H2O or heptahydrate form of zinc sulfate at 50 degrees Celsius temperature is converted into dihydrate form, which when heated at 100 degrees Celsius temperature is converted into monohydrate form of zinc sulfate. This monohydrate form, when heated at a temperature of 450 degrees Celsius, is converted into anhydrous form of zinc sulfate, which when further treated at a temperature of 740 degrees Celsius is decomposed to form sulfur dioxide and zinc oxide. It is reported to form double salt with potassium and ammonium sulfate. Zinc sulfate reacts with ammonium sulfate to form zinc sulfate ammonium sulfate salt. A white precipitate of zinc hydroxide is formed when zinc sulfate reacts with sodium hydroxide. White precipitate of zinc hydroxide is solubilized in excess of sodium hydroxide. Zinc sulfate reacts with alkali to form zinc hydroxide, which further reacts with salt or NaCl to form sodium zincate and water. Zinc sulfate reacts with sodium hydroxide to form zinc hydroxide and NaCl. This is further treated with slight excess of sodium hydroxide to form sodium zincate and water. Uses. In medicine, zinc sulfate is used together with ORS or oral rehydration therapy or ORT and as an astringent. Zinc sulfate is an inorganic compound and dietary supplement, and as a supplement it is used to treat zinc deficiency. About 0.25% of zinc sulfate is used for the ophthalmic purpose. Zinc sulfate also acts as an emetic and induces vomiting. It is used as an electrolyte for zinc plating and as a mordant in dyeing, as well as a preservative for skins and leather. Alum. Alum. They are white crystalline double sulfates of univalent and trivalent atoms. Alum is both a specific chemical compound and a class of chemical compounds. Many trivalent metals are capable of forming alums. The general formula for an alum is Am3 SO4 whole twice dot NH2O, where A is an alkali metal or ammonium, M3 is a trivalent metal, and N often is 12. In general, alums are easier formed when the alkali metal atom is larger. This rule was first stated by Locke in 1902. Double sulfates. Alums are double sulfates with the general formula A2SO4 dot B2SO4 whole thrice dot 24H2O, where A is a monovalent cation such as sodium, potassium, rubidium, caesium, or thallium, or a compound cation such as ammonium, methyl ammonium, hydroxyl ammonium, or hydrazinium, whereas B is a trivalent metal ion such as aluminium, chromium, titanium, manganese, vanadium, iron third, cobalt third, gallium, molybdenum, indium, ruthenium, rhodium, or iridium. Types of alum. Potassium alum. Chemical names are aluminium potassium sulfate, potassium aluminium sulfate, potassium aluminium sulfate or kalinite synonym is potassium aluminium sulfate or the synonym is alunite. Aluminium potassium sulfate synonym is potash alum. Formula for potash alum is KalSO4 whole twice dot 12H2O, whereas the formula for potassium aluminum sulfate is KAlSO4 whole twice dot 2AlOH whole thrice or KAlSO4 whole twice dot 11H2O. Potassium alum is used in crystal deodorants and for the water purification process. Sodium alum or soda alum or mendozite, chemical formula NaAlSO4 whole twice dot 12H2O. Sodium alum is used in the acidulant, being sour to the taste of food as well as in the manufacturing of baking powder. Ammonium alum, chemical name is ammonium aluminum sulfate. Formula is NH4AlSO4 whole twice dot 12H2O. Ammonium alum is used in water purification, in vegetable glues, in porcelain cements, in deodorants, in tanning, dyeing, and in fireproofing textiles. Chrome alum, chromium potassium sulfate or chromium alum, is having the formula KCrSO4 whole twice dot 12H2O, and it is used as a dark violet crystalline and used in tanning. Potash alum. General formula for potash alum is KAlSO4 whole twice dot XH2O. Potassium, it is having chemical name of aluminum potassium sulfate and common name of potash alum. Potash alum can exist in various forms such as potassium aluminum sulfate or alunite. Formula is KAlSO4 whole twice dot 2AlOH whole thrice, or in the form of potassium aluminum sulfate or kalinite. Formula is KAlSO4 whole twice dot 11H2O and the molecular weight is 456.07, or in the form of potash alum. Formula is KAlSO4 whole twice dot 12H2O. Molecular weight is 474.07. Preparation. Potash alum is obtained by adding a concentrated solution of potassium sulfate to a hot solution of an equimolar portion of aluminum sulfate. When the solution is concentrated and cooled, characteristic octahedral potash alum is separated out. In a reaction, this involves treatment of potassium sulfate with aluminum sulfate in the presence of 24 molecules of water to form potash alum. Potash alum occurs as colorless transparent crystalline structure and it readily dissolves in water, and the solution that is obtained is slightly sweetish in taste. Potash alum is acidic in nature and an alum powder solution turns a litmus paper red. On heating, potash alum powder changes to liquid first, and if heated further, then the salt swells up to form froths. Alum. Uses. Alum is used as an adjuvant in many subunit vaccines such as hepatitis A, hepatitis B, diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, in order to augment the body's response to immunogens. Alum in rock form is used as an aftershave to prevent and reduce bleeding in minor cuts and abrasions. Alum has a strong antibacterial property, so it is useful as a natural deodorant by inhibiting the growth of the bacteria responsible for body odor. Alum is used as an ingredient of toothpaste or tooth powder and as a pharmaceutical aid. Alum acts also as a styptic to contract organic tissues and stop or reduce hemorrhage and bleeding. Alum is also used as an emetic agent to induce vomiting when a person has swallowed poison. Thank you.